Hatemrat Mawlai.
Shillong MP Ricky A.J. Singkon and Mawlai MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang yesterday inspected two significant road projects in Mawlai constituency funded under the North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme or NESITS and Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY. During the inspection, the leaders, accompanied by PWD officials, assessed the ongoing construction of a 14.279-kilometer road from Shillong City to Umroi Airport under NESITS. They also reviewed progress on the 10-kilometer PMGSY road from Lummausing Mautawar to Mausiat Kham. The MLA urged the contractor to adhere strictly to specifications, as some sections have shown quality issues.
Saya kira pada bentuk ketika suruh perkenalan kata, bas pernah nang isi mari don lengkap isi. Pada pejak PMGSY itu kumpulan batai MP dengan ikut pemerintah tolong bahmo kinok kam sedang ada ki Asian Kia kita suatu pakai PMGSY margin debt banchna kemudian manaus dem kerana maintenance for the next 5 years. Jadi kamram joki bakin penbah kerana kanu duduk sedia kini penbah. Bat manu pentip ya kata apa pun kau diki nak punya sedang mau kiba penokam itu surong. Tengi so komen ni kuar mar limba isi long ba Asian Kia nama kita bantah setia bola sedang ban sedia ke surong. Inalaru inala ban pengkuj nata ki rut ki kerru ban pengkuj kere ke kamram bat apo ha jong ni ke PMGSY.
The North